Hello, everyone. Today, I'm diving into a pressing issue that's been on the radar of political analysts and concerned citizens alike: the role of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, in the face of election corruption in Zimbabwe. In the wake of Zimbabwe's 2023 elections, allegations of vote rigging, intimidation, and electoral malpractice have surfaced yet again. This isn't the first time. These issues seem to be a recurring nightmare in Zimbabwean politics. But what's particularly disconcerting this time around is the response, or lack thereof, from SADC. The SADC, established to promote sustainable and equitable economic growth and socio-economic development in Southern Africa, also has a mandate to reinforce and consolidate the region's long-standing historical ties and cultural heritage. But when it comes to overseeing democratic processes, are they dropping the ball? In the 2023 elections, despite glaring discrepancies and irregularities reported by multiple observer missions, SADC's response was tepid. They merely noted the observer mission's report that clearly stated the elections fell short of meeting the democratic standards set by both Zimbabwe's constitution and SADC's own guidelines. Now, why does this matter? Zimbabwe's political instability doesn't just affect Zimbabwe, it has ripple effects across the region. From economic downturns to forced migrations, the consequences are far-reaching. Yet, SADC's reaction was seen by many as an implicit endorsement of the status quo, contributing to a growing perception that they might be complicit in nurturing an environment where election corruption can thrive. Moreover, the internal political maneuvering in Zimbabwe, like the co-opting of the main opposition party's identity by the ruling party, further complicates the democratic landscape. And sadly, all this plays out under the watch of SADC, raising questions about their effectiveness and commitment to democratic principles. In conclusion, it's crucial for entities like SADC to step up and fulfill their roles as watchdogs, ensuring that elections are free, fair, and transparent. The integrity of democratic processes in Southern Africa depends heavily on their actions, or inactions. As we continue to scrutinize these developments, one thing remains clear: the path to genuine democracy is fraught with challenges, but overlooking these issues will only perpetuate the cycle of political instability and distrust among the citizens. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep a close watch on how these situations develop and continue to advocate for accountability and integrity in political processes around the world.